Hello student, welcome in my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. In this video, you will learn how to write an application to principal of your school requesting him to get necessary repairs of your school building. सबसे पहले ऊपर आ जाएगा द प्रिंसिपल। यहाँ पर आप द हेडमास्टर भी लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, जो प्रिंसिपल या हेडमास्टर। उसके बाद आपके स्कूल का नेम आ जाएगा, फिर सिटी का नेम, फिर डेट, जिस भी डेट को आप लेटर लिखोगे वो वाली डेट यहाँ पर आप लिख देना। उसके बाद रिस्पेक्टेड सर और मैडम, आई एम पेन टू ब्रिंग टू योर काइंड नोटिस द मिजरेबल condition of school building. The building requires certain repairs at the earliest. There are big cracks in its walls at some places. The roofs leak during the rains. Besides, the plaster of walls has come off at many places in most rooms. Most of the window panes are broken. The flush of toilets are out of order. If necessary repairs are not carried out urgently, it is likely that more damage will be caused. Please look into the matter and do the needful at the earliest. Yours obediently. सबसे नीचे आपका नाम आ जाएगा. And thanks for watching my video.